Hey guys, April Monthly, Chapter 5, High Level, Insuring Your Things. Keisha is excited that she is earning money. She feels good that she is saving money for her goal. She is also happy she has money to go to the movies with her friends this weekend. If I keep working like this, I will have enough money to get my apartment before I graduate, says Keisha. So she's working really hard. Wait a minute, Keisha, her mother says. You might have enough money to pay rent for the apartment, but what about everything else? What do you mean? What else do I need to pay for when I move into an apartment? What do you guys think you need to pay for when you move into an apartment? Obviously, the apartment. What else comes with that? There are many other things you will need to pay for. One major expense when you live in an apartment is utilities. Utilities include electricity, gas, and water. You will have to pay for the lights you turn on and the heat and water you use. You could have an internet and cell phone bill too with your own phone number. All of this costs money, explains Keisha. So when you have an apartment, you have to pay for the water, the gas, the electricity, and then if you want the internet, you'd have to pay for that and a cell phone. So that's lots of other things that you have to pay for when you live on your own. You will have to pay for insurance too, says Keisha's mother. Insurance is a way to protect the value of ourselves and our things. You will need to buy renter's insurance when you get an apartment. You will pay a company to insure all of your belongings in your apartment. If an accident happens, they will give you money to buy new things. So when Miss Corbett was young, she got her first apartment and did not know about renter's insurance. Granted, this was many years ago, and my apartment was broken into, and they took a whole bunch of my stuff. They even took my shoes. But I did not have renter's insurance, and had I had renter's insurance, they would have given me money to replace the items that were stolen. I had a friend who had an apartment that caught on fire. She had renter's insurance, and they helped her buy new clothes. It paid for her to stay in a hotel room till she found somewhere else. Renter's insurance is always good if you're going to live on your own. I didn't know that. What other types of insurances are there? Asked Keisha. Her mother says there is car insurance that helps to pay for damage to your car if you get into an accident. There's homeowners insurance for people who own homes to protect their house. She also says that Keisha may buy life insurance that will pay money to a person she names when she dies. Keisha's mother says some jobs offer health insurance as a benefit. A benefit is something extra a company offers in addition to money. The company pays for some of the health insurance. You pay for the rest of it. Right now, you are on my health insurance. It helps to pay for your visits to the doctor and any medications. But one day soon, you will have to get your own health insurance. Keisha gulps. Those are many things to pay for. She wants to spend some money on some fun things too. But Keisha remembers what her boss, Mr. Jones, told her. If she does a good job and has a good attitude, she can get a raise. And he wants her to work more hours over the summer and even a few weekends. She will work hard and earn more money. Keisha knows she will have more things to pay for. Keisha asks her mother, if there are so many things to buy, how will I know how to spend my money? You will have to make choices about what you buy. You can make a budget. A budget helps you know how much money you earn and how much money you need to spend. Her mother says, Keisha thinks a budget is a good idea. I'm sure your parents have a budget. Miss Corbett and Miss S have a budget. It's something very important to have because when you get paid, it looks like you have a good amount of money. And if you go spending before you look at your budget and your bills, you might not have enough money to pay your bills in the long run. Okay, so that was it for this chapter, you guys. Check the module and see what work you need to do. I hope you're having a great day.